EcoGrower Archer 03. EcoGrower Archer 03 is a planting device which can easily grow indoor fresh herbs, vegetables, and more 1 year round. It's very convenient to set up. You can grow your herbs, vegetables naturally in pure water and air with LED lighting system. No need soil. The seeds can sprout in days, harvest in just weeks. Then you can enjoy fresh herbs, vegetables, and fruits again and again for months. 35-watt Advance LED Light Optimal plant growth for pennies a day. The device can grow up to 7 plants at once up to 30.4 inches under fully adjustable LED light. The control panel on the top of the device is very easy to operate. It will offer you 3 modes, and the lights turn on and off automatically. EcoGrower Archer 03 comes with everything you need to start growing. Get the EcoGrower Archer 03 and start growing today.